Good morning guys! Another fun day full of free adventures here in Osaka is standing right in front of me and I can't wait to start it. Today I will go to Mino Waterfalls. It's 20 kilometers away from here and I'm gonna go by bike. So it will take me 2 hours, but I think it's gonna be a really good test for me for Taiwan, because I mentioned in previous videos just here that I wanna travel Taiwan entirely by bike, and yeah, I probably have to ride more than 20 kilometers a day if I do that. So yeah, let's go for it and I'll show you the waterfalls and the parks. Whoa, I finally made it. It took me like almost 2 hours, a little bit less, but if I wouldn't have had to look up the way all the time and if it wouldn't go uphill, I mean sometimes I had to push the bike, I would have probably been faster. But anyways, now I'm at the station looking for parking for my bike and then I'm gonna go on the hike to the waterfall. So what a beautiful hike and waterfall. I'm just on my way back. It's again a 2 hours ride obviously. And yeah, so I covered then 40 kilometers by bike today. And I think that's doable, but I don't even think I gotta have to do so much in Taiwan when I'm there because the country is super small. So I can probably take it easy. I got a little bit sunburned today. But yeah, now I just wanna have dinner. Whoa, finally I made it back. I don't know, 40 kilometers is quite a lot. It's like 4 to 5 hours I spent on the bike today. And I'm just really happy it's over. Oh, my butt really hurts as well and my face is completely sunburned. Ah, I make that. And if you want to see more similar videos like this, then just check out this video. It's about hitchhiking as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the button and I see you tomorrow.